Hi everyone, and welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I'm going to show you the yarns that I got from Hobbycraft and in more detail. I did ask if people would like me to do that and they said they would, so I'm going to do that. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell, and you will be finding out when there are new videos, giveaways, of which I'm going to do one very soon with some of this yarn, because I've just gone past now 3,500 subscribers, and so as a thank you I'm going to do a giveaway. It's going to be called the mid-month giveaway. I won't put 3k in the title, but that's what it's for, so keep them peeled for that. So press the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll get told when that's happening. Please check out my other giveaways. I've got one that ends tomorrow, or maybe later today if I get the video done. So there's still time to enter that one, and there's a couple that end at the end of the month, including a stitch naming competition, so might have a little go at that. So right then, so I'm hoping that I can see, and so I have brought along, I've got to stay inside. I brought along my specs because my subscribers, you know, they tell me off when I'm too vain to wear them. So they're only reading glasses, so that it makes that look a little bit odd. And I've got my phone at the ready, so if I need to put a little spotlight on it, then I can. So while I was there, I got another one of the Shall We Dance, but this was the pinks. Well, they call it browns, I think. I do believe, let me just check. I think it's called browns, which is more pink in it than brown that I can see. It's 735 meters, and where are you? I wish they put all the information in one place. It'd make it, I can put the light on. It'd make it so much easier if it was just all there in a nice chronological little spot. So it says it's a USA 6 needles and 4mm, so to me that just tells me it's DK weight or thereabouts, but it's got this lovely glitz going through it, which I really like. There is a shawl pattern on the inside, but that's for knitting, and it's 76% acrylic. Well, that looks scary, you won't do that again. 76% acrylic, 9% wool, 9% alpaca, and 6% metallic. So that's the Shall We Dance. One of my giveaways is for one of these in a lovely purpley colour that has greens and all sorts in it, so will be definitely worth checking that out. I also got some of this creative cotton, which I did have some of this from a yarn haul when I ordered from Hobbycraft online. That's the box there. I should really get rid of that, it's taking up space. They're 50 grams, they're 150 meters, and they are really lovely. They're a cotton blend, they're not all cotton, they are cotton and acrylic, 50% of each. And if you look at them, it's like a little bit of fabric. It's kind of interesting, but it's got lovely pinks and browns and cream, all sorts of kind of variations of those colours in there, which I really like. So I've got some of those because I already had some and I wanted some. I did put a bag on the floor so I could drop the yarn in once I'd showed it to you. Not going to find the others of those because I just chucked it all in this washing basket. Very technical, eh? So I got some more of this, which I absolutely love. It's called Groove is in the Yarn, and I hope that's not coming out mirror image for you. I don't know how to rectify that if it does. I know it's happened to some people in the past. It's 50 gram, it's just fashion yarn, and I would say it's a 4 weight from using it. It's 75% acrylic and 25% wool, and I made an absolutely gorgeous hat. They're 90 meters in length. And I made a really gorgeous hat with one which was not this colourway, but it was Crystal from Bag O' Day's hat that she's actually put up another hat. So I've got 4 of those. But yeah, I did get that one last time as well, but I wanted to get some more. I think the one I used was not that one either. I don't know if they had it, but it was kind of a more dreamy colour. It's all kind of different, well, rainbow, I want to say, rainbow colours. But this one, see, I've got, for some reason, I've really gone in for these browns, creams and pinks. But this is the same, the Shall We Dance, the groove is in the yarn, and I got 2 of those. This one's a little bit unruly, as you can see, needs taming, but that's the only 2 they had on the shelf, so I had no choice. And I found the rest of these. Actually, there's more. Maybe I got more than I thought of that. And pop that in. And I got 2 of these, which are this colourway, which I think is the same as the pinks. So that's good. I wanted more of that. So that's in there. And what else did I buy? Try and get it up this end. Don't want to knock it on the floor. I got this. I didn't show this on camera. I'd kind of glossed over it. But it's Knitcraft, which is Hobbycraft's own make everyday DK, and they're 50-gram balls, and they were on an offer, so I got 2 of the blue. I might not find them all at the same time. 2 of this really lovely pink. They are ever so soft, they're really squishy. Let me give you the details because I've forgotten to do that. I've left my glasses on. This is shade HED12 Barbie pink. Barbie. And let's have a look. Anything else to tell me? Yarn length is 137 meters, and it's a DK, obviously, which is a 3-weight in the US. So I've got 2 of the Barbie pink, and I've got 2 of the purple, which is a lovely shade. So, and I got 2 of the green, which is a lovely minty green. It doesn't show it as well on there. Can't always with the light. And 2 of the darker pink, which if you wanted to know the difference, this one is, what is you called? Let's see. A hot pink. I say. So that was those, filling up the box very rapidly. So then I got some of the James C. Brett marble, which is a very similar kind of weave, I want to say weave, to the Poundland yarn that I've been using to make my blanket, you know, the one that's the red one that's very popular, and it's kind of got that bi-colour, except obviously with the Poundland one, it's the other colour is white. But I really fancied having a little go with, or trying this, or getting some to see what it's like. Got lots of different colours inside. So let's tell you about this. It's machine washable, it's DK, which is a 3-weight. I hope I don't look ghostly by doing this. The shade is MT53, 100% acrylic, machine washable. 240 meters or 262 yards, which is, I'm gonna put them on there now because I'm running out of space. And then I got of the James C. Brett baby marble. Now this is very much like the Poundland yarn, except it's more pastel. So I got 2 of these. When I picked them up, I could have sworn I picked up 2 that started with pink. Oh, I think I know why. The lady at the checkout was very good to me. She made sure I got all the same dye lot. So she must have took that back and swapped it. It's 268 meters, 293 yards. Shade is BM2. And that's, where is it? 100% acrylic. But yeah, I love this because I love that Poundland yarn so much. And I'd say it feels about the same, even though this is meant to be baby. I'd say it's about the same. And I got 2 more of these because I really wanted to make myself a hat and a scarf with that. And there's another one of that marble in that colour that I showed before. So that's the same. And I wanted to get as close as I could to the colour that I'd got before when I made Crystal's hat. And this is very similar, if not the same. Because, you know, sometimes when you pick the ball up, it looks completely different. But yeah, that's the same. That is the one. And they only had 2 balls, which they only had last time. So It should be a rainbow mix, that's the one. I absolutely love it. 75% acrylic, 25% wool, but it's got some absolutely gorgeous colours in there. And I made that really lovely hat that she made with that cluster stitch. I have these, and I've got 2 of them. This one's falling off, but never mind. Yummy. Really glad I got that. And then I got this. To get 2 of these. I did. This is a cotton blend, just called Cotton Blend Plain, and it's a knit craft, so it's Hobbycraft's own. Get a bit croaky. And this is shade BR 2366-7 green. Well, I would never guess it was green. 215 meters, and 50% cotton and 50% acrylic, and it's actually fairly soft. It's not rough to the touch. It's got a substance to it, if you know what I mean. It's not willowy under your hands, but it's really soft. You could wear this, I'd say. It's not rough in any way. So there was 2 of those, and they were I don't know what I was going to say. They were the same. Doesn't really make sense, but this was what intrigued me the most. It intrigued me last time I went there, but they didn't really have very much, and so they had more this time. And it's called In the Zone. It's a 100-gram ball fashion yarn, and let me see what I'm trying to blind you, sorry about that. 100% polyester and turquoise. It's recommending 6mm hook, so I would say this is a 4 weight, and it's 170 meters, and it is hand washable. Now I'll put the phone down so I don't blind you anymore, but it's kind of like a t-shirt yarn. It's really strange. It's like, it almost feels like foam to the touch. It's really ultra soft. It's the squishiest thing that I think I've ever squished, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But yeah, so intrigued by it. But I got 3 of those. So yeah, that was my little trip to Hobbycraft. Get them off. Ow. Yeah, so I hope you like it. And I'm going to be picking some of those out to give away in my 3K giveaway. Mid-month it's going to be called. So watch out for that. Thanks so much for watching. And I will see you all again really soon. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.